On today's hike we need to cross this creek. Welcome to the History Channel. So apparently on this hike there's a few structures left from World War II, and I assume this is one of them, where there was a cannon right here and the soldiers were able to fire out on the boats coming in on this fjord. But I guess strategically it's really smart. This is pretty safe and you got a great position to fire. You could still retreat back here. The ditch continues a long way in that direction. So here's the second one, and well, that one was covered. Just continuing all the way back there. Made it to the top. Check out this view. This hike gets stairs, a lot of them. So we'll go all the way up there. We made it up quite a bit already, and actually there's all stairs. It's not what I expected, but yeah, look, there's a pretty nice view already, and it's one continuous staircase going up. Okay, we made it to the first stop, and this view is amazing. Really. It was really steep. The stairs were pretty tough, and well, unfortunately here it says we're not allowed to swim, which is a shame because I was about to jump down there into the waterfall. Guess not today. Enjoy the view. This is the parking lot of our next hike. We'll be going up there, I assume. And well, that's gonna be the view from up there. It's already nice from down here, so I'm excited. Look at this. The pioneers used to ride these babies for miles. This is by far the steepest hike we've done so far. But we're about, I don't know, like 10 minutes in, and we got the first view, which is hopefully gonna get a lot better once we're up. Even though this is already really nice. So yeah, we're gonna continue. It's really steep actually. We made it to the viewpoint and it looks amazing. One of the hikes later this summer is gonna be on this island. I'm really excited for that one. And now, well, we're going back down. This was really steep, so I feel like the way down is more dangerous than the way up. But yeah, that's it for this week.